Hello everyone, well I'm back with another new video lesson. In this video lesson you will learn about picture description. Picture description is one of the important communication skills. New textbook for third year students. What is picture description? Picture description is a written caption that describes the essential information in a picture. Picture descriptions can define photos, graphics, gifts, maps, charts, art, logo, and video. Basically, anything containing visual information. Now, let's move to understand the useful of picture description. Well, the famous quotation, "A picture is worth 1,000 words," is indicative of the significance of pictures in communication. Describing a picture not only entails good command over language, but also a creative bent of mind. Fostering this skill not only improves one's speaking skills, but makes communication clear and effective. Now, let's move to understand the guidelines for creating picture descriptions. Well, when you attempt describing a picture, have a close look at it to determine how to best put your thoughts into meaningful sentences. Identify the important aspects of the picture. The description of a picture should be logically structured. Well, start the picture description from the background to the foreground or from the foreground to the background. Well, start the picture description from the middle to the sides or from the sides to the middle. Start the picture description from its details to general impressions or from general impressions to details. Well, when describing a painting, give details such as the name of the artist, the year of painting, etc. and then attempt a short description of the scene of the painting. You can also write comments on the intention of the artist in creating such a work of art. Well, when describing pictures, the present simple and present continuous tenses are generally used. You can use the passive voice to make your description more reflective. Now let's move to understand some common expressions in picture description. What can you find in the picture? What is in the picture? These are the common expressions. I can see, there is, there are, there is not a, there are not any. I can see. What can you see in the picture? There is. Who is there? What is there in the picture? There are. Who is there? What are there in the picture? There is not a. What is not there in the picture? Who is not there in the picture? Well, to describe the event in the picture, you must use the present continuous. The man is. What is the man doing? The people are. What the people are doing? The people are enjoying. Well, it's raining. The man is falling on the floor. Where in the picture? You use prepositions to refer to position and direction. The common expressions at the top of the picture, at the bottom of the picture, in the middle of the picture, on the left side of the picture, on the right side of the picture, next to the picture, in front of the picture, behind the picture, near the picture, on top of the picture, under the picture. You must write some sentences by using these common expressions. Well, if something is not clear in the picture, how can you write? Well, it looks like a... How does it look like? It looks like a city. It might be a winter time. It could be sidewalking. Maybe it's a big shopping mall. Model question 1. Look at the picture and write a paragraph. Title: The Beautiful Picnic Day. A boy and girl are playing with ball and a boy is hiding behind the tree. Mama and daughter eating the lunch with their daughter. There are some sun features at the table and a cup of tea is the front of dad. And there is water bottle near mom and a basket of apples near daughter and a bird is flying across the sky. So let's move to model question 2. Look at the picture and write a paragraph. This is the picture of a city. In this picture, all the citizens were running. They were in a big problem. All the citizens were in fear. Some terrorists were attacked on their city. The terrorists were forcing the citizens to move out. The terrorists had some weapons in their hands. They wanted to kill the people, but people were running to save their life. Some small children were also running with their parents. As per our English textbook, describe the following pictures in about 100 words each. The title of the picture is The New York Skyline. The grandmother and the grandchild. Indian thali. Rangoli. Rainforest. Two pigeons. A butterfly. Alright, dear students, you must submit your assignments in the classrooms. And it keeps me end of the lesson. Well, I'll come back with another new interesting video lesson very soon. Until then, you must practice, keep practicing, keep reading your original textbook, and you must ask the doubts in your classrooms. Have a nice time. Bye bye.